Hi, this is Cody from Enginetech. I'm here to talk to you today about oil pumps. What we have here is just your traditional oil pump for a small block Chevy. This is run by a gear that comes off of the camshaft. As we all know, the oil pump does provide pressurized oil throughout the engine, so it's one of the most important components in your engine, going to keep everything running like a well-oiled machine. As far as the oil pumps that we carry, this is the only component that we carry multiple versions of for the same engine. So for this small block engine, we're going to have, this is our premium line. We also do offer a value line that's called Pressure King. Now Pressure King does not mean that it's high volume or high pressure. It's still a standard volume oil pump, standard pressure, it just depends on what you get. An oil pump does need to be primed before it's used, and a common misconception used to be that they were primed with lithium grease, which is not acceptable. On our oil pumps, we require that they are primed with the appropriate engine oil. So anytime you put any kind of grease or lithium grease in there, what that's going to do is create an air bubble inside the body of the oil pump and create a loss in pressure. Therefore, you're going to have a failure and damaged parts inside the engine. So remember, prime your oil pumps with the correct engine oil, not anything else. For the same pump, if you also want to get a high volume, you would look at the part number. This is an EP55HV, which indicates it's high volume. If we have a high pressure pump, it would be a HP pump. So just to show you the difference, here is an LS oil pump, which is crank driven, versus the small block Chevy, which is just your standard driven by the gear off of the camshaft. This is a Pressure King oil pump, part of our value line. Like I said, the Pressure King does not indicate that it's any high pressure, high volume. If you're looking for something like that, just pay attention to the notes in the catalog, and also the part number will tell you if it is anything beyond a traditional oil pump. Thanks for watching our video. Enjoy.